Hello friend, welcome back again my channel, and today we'll implement actually subsystem, Windows subsystem in Windows 11 and Windows subsystem for Android in Windows 11. How we can actually set up that Windows system subsystem for Windows subsystem for Android in our Windows 11. So that is a big things come in our Microsoft provided. Actually, Windows subsystem for Android enable your Windows 11 device to run Android applications that are applicable for Amazon App Store. So two three things is required for this, so that you can avoid your things like you can avoid install that emulator, because this subsystem is came, so you don't want to require any emulator to run your application. So this is a big feature comes in our Windows 11. So what required, first required actually App Store, Amazon App Store. So if I'll provide that all links over here. So see, this is Amazon App Store, so you can just click get in store, so that it will install, download and install in your machine first. And second way is like two things. This second way is like you can directly install your Windows subsystem for Android with the Amazon App Store. So you can directly click here, and up to you like which one is better for you. So you can just install, because once you click the install, automatically will install that App Store as well. So once complete, so I'm not going to install, and because I already install over here. So yeah, for before proceed install, you have to know like what would be the uh, recommendation, or we can say like prerequisition required for this is install Windows subsystem. So minimum required 8 GB RAM, maximum minimum is required 8 GB, but recommended would be 16 GB. Also storage type should be solid state drive, that means SSD. And also processor architecture required 20 into 64-bit or ARM 64. And also should be enable virtual machine. So how you are enable to virtual machine in your Windows 11 home edition, because by default it is there, by default is there as other edition, but home, if you have a window home edition, so it is very difficult to enable. So that's why there is some tricks I shared over here in my channel. I will share this link as well in this video description. So these are step all required, these are stuff or required. And one more thing is ADV tools also required, so that's also I'll give you in this video description. So let's get started. So first just install, just click and install. Okay, it is already installed in machine, so I don't think it will give me a more second. Okay, so this is installed, so just remove it and you can direct open it, that's fine. Open. After install, you will see actually some icons over here, that Android. Okay, go to, yeah, this guy, Windows subsystem for Android. So click this one, and you will see those settings. So some setting you have to do, set up on over here. First, actually, you have to like window. Actually, you have to enable your window configuration. So developer mode, actually, you have to enable. So developer settings, go to developer setting, make sure check your developer setting is enable, like see, developer mode is enabled. So one setting is required. Now other one is go to developer. If you go to here, it just should be enable developer mode. And also you will check that manage developer setting, click on the manage developer settings. So it will on, will trying to set up something. So keep going on to set up this one. So yeah, once done, it will show Actually, this no, see, this developer mode should be on, and also that USB mode over here, yeah, USB debugging on. So these two things you have to take care. Once it's done, go to back system, and one how but what other things is required? Okay, memory of performance. So this is a memory of performance. So whatever you want, so you can set up like as needed, or always you want to open as you need it when that time it required. So you can choose this option, or if you want to partially running, so you can choose this one, or if you want to continuously running, so you can choose this one. So those are things. And one more settings need to do this diagnosis. No, apart from this, I think that is sufficient. Go back. Yeah, see. Now what need to do after this, you require some SDK, because the ADP to ADP command will connect your this IP and create a subsystem. So what you need to do, just I'll share this link as well. So what you need to do, okay, you have to download this SDK platform note. Okay, so here you have to download SDK manager or these tools for window. If you go to here, then see, you can just select and install. So it will give you, SDK, or there, yes, it will give you SDK and install. And after that, what it need to do, okay, let me show you, I think, how you can do. Just click download. Yeah, see, the zip file will be download. You can store anywhere in your location. I already did it, so I cancel it. Then what yeah, now go to there where you have download, and I download. So okay, yeah, like I download here platform tools. Now open a CMD command, like directly from CMD command you can open over here, or there is another way, like copy this path and open is a CMD command, and you can directly CD like this. Okay, this is indirect. Okay, so might be yes. So you can not. This is not right one. So yeah, copy address and go to CD again. Yes, like this. You can go to that folder. So leave that part. I already opened. See, this is the exact folder where we have our ADP. So what you need to do, you need to connect that ADP connections, so that your things is running. So come on, first check like ADB is there or not. So yeah, it is there. If it is your ADB is not responding, like it's saying, okay, this ADB command is not recognized. So definitely you have to check your locations properly, and that's it. And then if it is there, so just CLS, okay, and connect your subsystem. So ADB, also before that, just check any ADB connection is there or not. So ADB devices, when you click enter, so it will showing, okay, domain not, there is no ADB connection over there. Okay, so then what need to do, ADB connect, then our IP, where you will get that IP, you will get subsystem IP over here. See, 127.0.01 colon 58286. So go to here, ADB connect 127.0.0.1.58. 58526. So this is, and just hit enter. See, this is connected. And then again you can check ADB devices. So yes, list of devices attached and this one is there. So it is connect. Then you can just create a Maui application to test like our that subsystem is our application is deployed on the subsystem for Android or not. So I can check for open our Visual Studio 2022. Also, I'm especially recommend to before that Visual Studio, you have to go how you can install that 2022 if you don't have. So go to in my channel and you will definitely see, uh, check out that video how we can install and also how we can configure in my application. Also in later in next video I'll show up like how we can create a my application from scratch. Now I'm not going to describe more about this application, but yeah, so now I'm clicking this .NET Mayu, not Blazor one, .NET Mayu app. So there's a two template, so that's also I'll cover my next video. So this is just showing the demo how our subsystem is deployed in Android. Android application is deployed in our subsystem. So click next, use .NET 7, and it will create a project for you, and also it will be storing some NuGet package, so it will take few seconds. So yes, once complete, yeah, it is almost complete. Okay, once complete, so see, if your subsystem already connect, so then how you can check it, just change it over here and go to Android device. See that one, our Microsoft Corporation subsystem for Android 13 AP. So just select this one. So if you select this one first time, so definitely it will ask, accept your SDK thing. So just accept and continue. That's it. But I'm already did that, so that's why it's not appearing. And just hit enter. So you will see over here, it will start to build and deploy in your application in our subsystem. So it will take few minutes. Okay, it's starting deploying. So it is deploying. Yeah, find that device. Also you can see your device is found here. Once complete, almost there, I guess, because if it is first time, so it will take few seconds. So set up and deploy. So it is deploy complete, I guess, but it's behind, taking some time. Okay, yeah. So after deploying, actually connecting to hot reload. So this is a best feature, great feature come in Visual Studio. Also that part also I'll cover in next video when I create a one of first application of .NET Mayo. So that's also important features. Finally, XML hot reload is stop it, and it should come. Okay, it's a stop, I guess. I think some issue. So okay, no issue. We can try one more time. Oh, sorry. Not Android emulator. Just check. Okay, that has been stopped, I guess. So okay, no issue. We can check like what device. Okay, the device is offline. So just again connect one more time. I think it is a stop it automatically due to some issue, I guess. No connection made found this target. What's going on? Okay, let me. Okay, it is offline. Okay, so why it's offline? Something happened, but it should be open actually. This is not any issue. But okay, close that one. Go to again and open CMD. Connect ADB devices. Okay, this is offline. Okay, now I am checking to again ADB connect 127.0.0.158.26. Hit enter. Okay, no connection found. Target machine activity refuse. Something is refusing. Let me figuring out why it's behaving like that. So just open once more time. Okay, so this is enable. That's cool. And go to one more time. Yes, now it's connected. Might be it's closed, so that's why. So keep it open. And now let's try again. See, again came once offline, it will go on over here as well. So yeah, so just run again. This time it should be. Yes, hot reload is stopped and should be open. Okay, finally it's on. So see, this is our that application and open in our subsystem in Windows subsystem. See, this is working perfectly. It's working. Okay, if you want to change something, so let's change that hot reloading is working properly or not. Let me check. For example, if I change something on the XML part. Okay, so I want to change for level. Yeah, welcome to Maui for subsystem and save. Auto reload is connected. Let me check it's selecting or not. Yeah, see, the auto reload is also working perfectly. So this is all about of subsystem. If any query, any suggestion, anything's in your mind, or do you face any issue, so please let me know. I'll figuring out and I'll give the solution as well. Thank you so much. Have a nice day.